Today we're going to be going over our aWaiver feature. So for those of you who have aWaiver, as you know, it's going to show you your waivers missing. So this reservation is for 4 people, so it looks like 3 out of the 4 waivers have been attached to the reservation, which means we are missing 1 waiver. So whenever people book, they're going to get a link in the receipt that includes the aWaiver. So what it's going to look like after they make a reservation is they're going to get this receipt that has all their information on it. At the top, it's going to have a link to the waiver that they can sign, or they can email it to someone else in their group. To sign it, they click on the link. It's going to take them to our aWaiver platform. From here, we're going to select that we're signing for ourselves. We're going to put in our name, and we do have an optional safety video. If you guys do want to have that, then we can attach a URL to that video. That way people watch it before they sign their waiver. After that, this is where people are going to read their waiver. Once they've read it, they're going to click on next, and this is where people are going to record their video. So to record it, all they're going to do is click on record. They're going to say this whole statement right here, and after they do it, they're going to click on stop, and then we're going to click on next. After we make sure the video is okay, we are going to sign and then click finish. So it's going to let us know that our waiver has been submitted. So now whenever we go back to that reservation, it's going to let us know that all of our waivers are attached. So if I click on the reservation number, the waiver we just signed is going to be here at the bottom. Green means that it's been attached and approved. If it's yellow, that means it is rejected. For rejected waivers, we do recommend writing a comment. So what you're going to do is click on the pencil icon, and we're just going to say that Tony needs to redo his waiver. That way, whenever they check in, you guys know that he is the only one that needs to redo the waiver. If it's in this teal color right here, that means that it still needs to be looked at. So what I'm going to do is click on view. I'm going to approve and attach it after I make sure the video is correct. And then after I approve and attach it, it's going to turn it from that teal color to that green color. To search for any waivers that have been recently signed, if they don't automatically show up from the receipt, what you're going to do is click on this aWaiver button, find the name that you're looking for, and once you click on it, you can approve and attach it that way.